You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Thursday afternoon. Enjoy the sunshine. Do bundle up, though. We are dealing with temperatures a little below average. The average high this time of year is around 9 degrees. Kingston will climb to 7 degrees. But yeah, we do see some sunshine, and the sunny trend is going to take us all the way into early next week at this point. Late evening, it's going to be a cool one, just 2 degrees. And with our futurecast images, yeah, not much to talk about in terms of any active weather. We are dealing with some sunny periods, and much like the past several days, due to that cold blast of Arctic air coming in from the north, it's mixing with a relatively warm water of Lake Ontario, and that is the recipe for some snow squall activity for upper New York State, most noticeable in the mornings. For Belleville, 7 degrees today, 9 for Friday. You'll get to 11 degrees on Saturday. A wind chill tomorrow morning, it'll feel like -6 as you head out the door, so do bundle up. Brockville, 7 degrees today, 9 for tomorrow, 10 on Saturday. Nice double digits for you to begin the weekend. A wind chill value for -7 in the morning. And then for Smiths Falls, you'll get to a high of 7 degrees today, 9 degrees tomorrow, which is the average high for this time of year. And then for Saturday, enjoy 11 degrees. Again, just some variable clouds for Kingston. 7 degrees today, we'll get to 9 degrees tomorrow under a mostly clear sky. We also see a high of 9 on Saturday. Sunday, how about 11 degrees? And then for Monday, ooh, even a little more milder, 13 degrees and a mix of sun and clouds to begin your week.
There is a small chance of precipitation tonight. Could be showers or flurries, but we do have high pressure building nicely. Any of the active weather you see tonight isn't part of any low. It's just isolated activity blowing in off the lake, a little lake effect. We are looking at a lot of sunshine, and those daytime highs are going to get back to double digits in no time. So that 7 we had today, a little cool for most of you. Belleville had a 7-2, 6 in Brockville, Smiths Falls, 5 in Ottawa, 6 for Peterborough, 7 in Oshawa, and a 9 in Toronto. Today, that southerly wind moving at about 9 kilometers per hour now, so it's fairly calm out there. 65% relative humidity. Because of that light southerly breeze, we could see some of that sort of shower / flurries sort of moving in off the water, and I don't think it's going to be very far reaching, but there is a possibility that precipitation generated tonight could come in off the lake and reach us. One thing that's likely to happen is some of that ice fog and frost that we had last night, and all because of that cooler air that's moving in. Even though this is a southerly flow, a lot of the air in our region is cool, and it's not just us. This cooler air is reaching almost as far down as the Gulf of Mexico. We are looking at much cooler air now, and that's why you're seeing these minuses overnight and your single-digit daytime highs. That's all changing now, though, because the highs are sort of digging in nicely in the south, and this is actually going to help to pump a little bit of air, and that southerly flow we're getting that might bring that small chance of precipitation, that's going to help to keep those temperatures up a little bit. You'll still see a little bit of cloud now and then. We're getting that flow out of the west too at a higher altitude, and so you're getting some cloud coverage or troughing. This is where we're sitting now, and that's that 60% probability of showers or flurries overnight. Gone, clear tomorrow, beautiful sunny conditions Saturday too. You may see this sort of defining line here. This is actually that trough I pointed out in the north. It's sort of spilling a few clouds, creating a little cloud activity off the upper Great Lakes, and then sending it our way. But not a lot of it, really. I mean, mainly sunny Friday, high 9 for Belleville, high 10 Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud, and you're going to hit 13 on Sunday with a mix of sun and cloud. Very nice. Brockville up to 9 and mainly sunny tomorrow. Saturday, you reach 10 Celsius with a mix of sun and cloud, and hitting 12 Celsius Sunday with a mix of sun and cloud. And for Smiths Falls, up to 9 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Saturday, high 11 up to 12 Sunday, and a mix of sun and cloud. And Kingston, your 5-day forecast. Sunny and a high of 9 tomorrow, but not before we may see a shower or flurry through the overnight, blowing in off the lake, and also some ice fog. Yeah, fog patches are possible. Saturday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 9. Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud up to 12 degrees. 12 on Monday, too, with a mix of sun and cloud. And Tuesday, mix of sun and cloud, high 12, but later in the day, a 30% chance of showers starts to move in. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Oh, yes, it was a frosty morning. Frost and ice fog. And thanks to Steve Shea of Kingston, he captured this frosty landscape. Beautiful photo, Steve. Thanks a lot for sharing. If you've got pictures to share with us, do like Steve did. Send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
The ice fog certainly does produce beautiful scenes like that, Bill, but it looks eerie, too, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
eerie
is.
Kind of feel in the air. Is it dangerous? Like, can it ice up roads?
Yes, it can cause slicks. It can cause very slippery roadways and sidewalks, too, for those pedestrians. It just covers everything with a very, very thin sheet of ice.
So be careful if you're out early in the morning.
Not quite as treacherous as freezing rain, but yeah, watch your step.
Okay, and then obviously the sun will burn it off, or it'll move on, or just melt, or whatever. And then it's another nice day, and you were beginning to sound like a broken record there, Bill. And that's a good thing when you're saying a mix of sun and cloud every single day for the next.
It's very nice to see. Any probability is going to be like 20–30%, so, and it's likely to be in the evening or overnight. During the day, beautiful.
Yeah, it's producing some beautiful fall days for sure, Bill. And yeah, we'll find out if that trend will stick around in the long-range forecast. I know you will. We'll see you later.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
High pressure is taking over, bringing you lots of sunshine, but we have to get through that small probability of a shower or flurry tonight. It's not really part of any system that's pushing through, but we do see some troughing, and that's generating a little bit of flurry activity out of the northwest, and so it's stretching quite far. These streamers are from the upper Great Lakes and coming our way. Those winds are strong enough in the north that you're actually seeing this troughing creating the probability of a flurry in our area tonight. Yes, so you might see a little bit of that on the ground tomorrow. Maybe some of that ice fog like we had this morning. We are looking at the risk of some fog patches tonight, and that could be the crystal-y kind, that very frosty fog. High pressure will give you some sunshine though, and that's likely to continue for a few days. 9 for a high tomorrow in Belleville, and mainly sunny. Saturday, you've got a mix of sun and cloud. 10 degrees. 13 on Sunday with a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville up to 9 and mainly sunny tomorrow. You rise to 10 on Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud. Mainly sunny Sunday and a high of 12. Smiths Falls gets their share of double digits over Saturday and Sunday too, but only a 9 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. That seems to be the same trend as far as sky conditions go for the next few days in Smiths Falls. And Kingston, your long-range forecast. A high of 9 tomorrow, lots of sunshine, those winds of southwest, 20 by noon. Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 9, rising to 12 Celsius on Sunday. Don't forget to set those clocks back an hour when you hit the hay Saturday night. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 12. Tuesday, mix of sun and cloud, a small chance of a shower, a high 12. Yes, up to 10 on Wednesday with a mix of sun and cloud. And Thursday, 60% chance of showers, a high of 9.